Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best security cameras you can buy right now. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium device, we've got you covered with an in-depth analysis of their features, performance, and value. You'll find links to all the products in the description below, so let's get started. At number 5, we have the TP-Link Tapo C100. The budget-friendly champion of indoor security cameras. This camera packs a surprising amount of features for just $14.97, making it ideal for those who want basic security monitoring without breaking the bank. With 1080p full HD resolution and a 110-degree field of view, it captures clear and detailed video, whether you're keeping an eye on your baby, pets, or your living room. The design is compact and lightweight with easy wall mounting. It also features night vision up to 30 feet, so you won't miss any activity after dark. The two-way audio lets you communicate with anyone in the room, and the built-in siren can help deter intruders. Plus, it's compatible with Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to view feeds using voice commands. While it doesn't offer advanced features like 2K resolution or wide-angle coverage, it's a solid choice for small spaces or single-room monitoring. The main drawbacks are the limited field of view and basic motion alerts. It doesn't differentiate between pets and people. However, for its price, the Tapo C100 offers great value and is perfect for budget-conscious buyers or those looking for a simple baby or pet monitor. At number 4, we have the TP-Link Tapo C110P4, a 4-pack bundle that offers 2K high-definition resolution for enhanced image clarity. If you're looking to cover multiple rooms or areas in your home, this set is a fantastic value. At just $45.89, you get 4 cameras, each equipped with motion detection, two-way audio, and night vision up to 32 feet. The 2K resolution ensures that you can easily identify details like faces or objects in your footage. The cameras are compact and easy to install, with wall mounting options to suit various spaces. Each camera comes with secure local storage for up to 256 gigabytes via a micro SD card, not included, or you can opt for cloud storage through the Tapo Care subscription. They are also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easy to stream live feeds on smart displays. However, the slightly narrower 107-degree field of view, compared to competitors, limits coverage per camera. Overall, the Tapo C110P4 strikes a balance between affordability and performance. It's ideal for families or small businesses that need multi-room monitoring without spending a fortune. The only downside is the additional cost of micro SD cards or cloud storage subscriptions. But if you're looking for reliable, high-resolution coverage, this is a solid choice. At number 3, we have the Ring Battery Doorbell 2024 release, a sleek and efficient device that combines convenience and performance. With 66% more vertical coverage than its predecessor, this doorbell camera lets you see head-to-toe views, perfect for monitoring packages at your doorstep. It features live view and two-way talk, so you can greet visitors or deter intruders in real time. Although the price isn't listed, Ring products typically fall in the mid-range category. The Venetian bronze finish adds a touch of elegance to your home's exterior, and the built-in battery ensures easy installation without complex wiring. You can recharge it via USB-C, and smart alerts notify you of motion, people, or packages. It works seamlessly with Alexa, enhancing your smart home ecosystem. However, to unlock features like 24/7 recording and advanced alerts, you'll need a Ring Home subscription, which is sold separately. The Ring Battery Doorbell is ideal for homeowners prioritizing convenience and aesthetics. Its main drawbacks are the reliance on subscriptions for full functionality and the fact that it's designed for outdoor use only. Nonetheless, its robust feature set and dependable performance make it a top contender for entryway security. At number 2, we have the Tapo MagCam, a highly versatile outdoor security camera that earned accolades from PC Mag and Wirecutter. Priced at $54.99, This camera offers 2K QHD resolution and a whopping 150-degree field of view, making it ideal for monitoring large areas like driveways or backyards. The built-in starlight sensor and spotlights deliver full-color night vision, ensuring clear footage even in low-light conditions. The MagCam is wire-free and weatherproof, featuring a magnetic mount for easy installation on metal surfaces. With a 10,000 mAh battery, it boasts up to 300 days of usage on a single charge, and you can add a Tapo A200 solar panel for continuous power. It also includes person and vehicle detection, so you'll receive specific alerts for relevant activity. While the camera supports both local storage, up to 512 gigabytes micro SD card, and cloud storage, the micro SD card isn't included. If you're searching for an affordable yet feature-rich outdoor camera, the Tapo MagCam is a fantastic option. Its extended battery life and simple installation make it perfect for renters or anyone seeking hassle-free security. However, the reliance on optional accessories like the solar panel could add to the initial cost. Finally, at number 1, we have the Google Nest Security Cam, 2nd generation, the premium pick for indoor surveillance. Priced at $99.99, this camera excels in performance, design, and smart features. With 1080p HDR video quality and night vision, it delivers crisp footage around the clock. Built-in intelligence sets it apart, allowing it to differentiate between people, pets, and vehicles, sending tailored alerts through the Google Home app. The minimalist snow finish complements modern interiors, and the camera's built-in stand lets you place it on a table or mount it on a wall. If your Wi-Fi goes down, the Nest Cam stores up to 1 hour of recorded events locally, ensuring you don't miss critical moments. You can also set up activity zones to receive alerts for specific areas, like your front door or living room. While it works seamlessly with Google Assistant and Alexa, unlocking full features like 60-day video history requires a Nest-aware subscription. The Nest Cam is perfect for tech-savvy users who want a reliable, aesthetically pleasing camera with intelligent functionality. Its higher price and reliance on subscriptions for advanced features are the only downsides, but for those seeking premium indoor security, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you narrow down your choices for the perfect security camera. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.